George has just done a smelly fart. We were supposed to be hiking by now. Everyone's asleep, which is a lie because George and I are awake, and actually Lydia's also just woken up and I screamed at her. We're gonna go and find Rihanna a birthday cake because it's her birthday tomorrow. Wow, very like Vasa, very much. Coffee time. We're having a coffee. I'm having a fun one and George is having a boring one. We haven't got a cake. We haven't really done anything. That's mad. Do you think it's air? Wonderful architectural design, and we have cake. Frugality. Cakey. 48 euros. Absolutely not. So this is the this is the cakes we've chosen, and they're very pretty. And George needs a poo. And we're in a car park. Wow! Good boy! Aren't you cute? Oopsie.
You should be aware of it, you can't listen on the channel.
Look at this. That's what I was doing at the airport.
Oh my god, we're gonna get kicked.
Full touch and flag.
It's Austrian cheese.
I've abandoned everyone because I want to go to bed. Good night, Austria. Good night, the world. I honestly hope you all sleep very well, but I'm going to bed now.